Shalom to Akim out there. And this is a news article on November the 21st, 2022, on this Monday afternoon at 4:19 p.m. Central Standard Time. And this is a news article from Queen Portman. This is from MSN.com and published by Haley Dunn 5 hours ago. And a highlight of this news article for any news of November 21st, 2022 on this Monday afternoon. And it reads, a 5.2 magnitude earthquake recorded off the Oregon coast, the third one in 4 days. It says Portland, Oregon, Queen, an earthquake recorded a 5.2 magnitude shook off the coast of Oregon coast early Monday morning, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. The tremor was reported by 157 miles west coast of Goulds Bay at 7:42 a.m. and it was measured at a depth of 10 kilometers. Evacuations ordered after a hemp plant fire in Grass Valley. There is no tsunami danger in the National Weather Service, Portland says. It says the USGC reported a 2.7 quake in a similar area on Sunday morning, and another one in the same general region on Friday morning. That measures a magnitude of a 4.5 earthquake. Go to that Luke 21 and 11. This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence, and fearful sights, and great shine shall there be from heaven. Right, because we're seeing increases of these earthquakes in diverse places. You know, over there on the coast of Oregon, that I just brought out that news article. They said that's the third earthquake in 4 days, from Friday all the way into Sunday and all the way to Monday, you know. So we see these earthquakes in diverse places increasing. And I mentioned that, that's the spirit, and I mentioned that in my previous video when I did a news sit-down lesson, you know, about, you know, that earthquake rocked over there in Indonesia, you know, and I mentioned that you was going to hear continual increase of magnitude earthquakes in the West Coast region, especially the upper northwest region of Seattle and Oregon, places like that. And that's what you're seeing, you know. Now, a news report just came out, you know, they had like a 5-point-something magnitude of an earthquake over there in the coast of Oregon. So we're seeing these earthquakes in diverse places increasing now more so, you know, and it's going to continue to increase, you know. So with that, you know, I just want to bring out this little quick news article of these earthquakes in diverse places are definitely increasing in the latter days. We're going to continue to see more increase of these earthquakes. So with that, I hope this is edifying. Through the spirit, power, grace, and mercy of Yahweh Yahushua. And first and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, by Hashem Yahushua, by Hashem Karkadash. Double honors to the elders and apostles who are minister, preaching his word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to Akim, scattered through the 4 corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. In the name of Yahweh, by Hashem Yahushua, by Hashem Karkadash. And shalom to the Akim, and be like unto the speckled bird, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom and above.